Do you struggle when your kids want to play with you, but you're already so tired? Here are 6 easy ways you can spend quality time with your kids, even when you're exhausted. I'm Marissa Roberts from beautifulyorganised.com, and today I'm going to share with you my favorite games to play with the kids when you're so tired you can barely even think, let alone play. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook page so you can get weekly tips on how to simplify and organize your life so you can actually enjoy it. It's been a really huge day, you're home with the kids, you just want to chill out, but they want to play. Totally understandable that they want some quality time with you, but if you're not naturally good at playing, it's a little more difficult than that. I'm not very good at playing. I'm terrible at imaginary play. I'm a little too competitive when it comes to board games, and I'm not very sporty, so I'm not very good at outdoor activities. Plus, I tend to get tired about 4 p.m. and by then I'm already struggling just to make it through the rest of the day, get the dinner on, get the dishes washed, do all of the bedtime routine. There's still so much going on. But I also know that kids grow up really fast, and I know that quality time together creates a really special bond with your children. You know, it makes them feel really special. It shows them you love them. It helps you discover what you have in common. It's a great way to bond and create some fun memories together. But honestly, sometimes you just get too tired. So today I'm going to show you 6 ways you can play with your kids and relax at the same time. The first idea, you can play hospitals. You're the patient, they're the doctor, you have to lay on the lounge. Get out your bandages and let them wrap up your arms, legs, and even maybe your head. Game number 2 is the cloud game. You just take a blanket outside, lay it down on the grass, you both lay down and look at the clouds in the sky and tell each other what you see. Number 3 is to lay down together and listen to an audiobook. Audible has a great young adult section, and you can get a free audiobook if you haven't tried them before. And allyoucanbooks.com has a really good section for younger kids too. If it's a longer book, you can do a chapter each day and actually have relax time set as part of your daily routine. Or you could colour in together. You might be surprised at how relaxing colouring is when you're an adult. Turn off the TV, make sure your phone's not near you, set it up so it's a nice quiet room and focus on the colouring, the different colours you're using, and chat together while you're doing your colouring in. It's relaxing, it's creative, and you've got something to treasure at the end that you can put up on the wall or in a scrapbook. Idea number 5 is my favourite. It's to have a spa day at home. You can do each other's nails, you could do pedicures, you could pop on a face mask together. If you've got young kids, just put on some moisturiser instead. Then you put some relaxing music on, put cucumber slices over your eyelids, and lay down for 10 or 15 minutes. Idea number 6 is to play hairdresser. They're the hairdresser, you are the customer. It's your job to sit in a chair, read a magazine, and let them brush and style your hair. Just keep the scissors away for this one, but otherwise it's a great way to feel relaxed and looked after while they create a bond and spend some quality time with you. So there you have it, 6 easy ways you can play with your kids even if you're already really tired. If you'd like more tips on how to manage family dynamics in simple ways, then head on over to beautifulyorganised.com. We've got lots of freebies there, you can grab one. If you have babies and toddlers, there's a really good ebook called 5 Steps to an Easy Morning. It's going to help you get through your mornings and get ready for the day and get out the door on time, even if you have really young kids. You can click the link under this video to get it. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, if you want to see more videos like this, then just subscribe to our YouTube channel and tap the notification bell, or follow us on our Facebook page. We go live there once a week. We have tons of videos already here too, so go ahead and pick one of those to watch next, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!